Maria Crisel P. with honors. Conde Angeline P. with honors, recipients of Youth Service Award. Del Rosario Cathy I. with honors. Babon Princess Anne Eloisa B. with honors, recipients of Youth Service Award. Francia Jasmine Rose S. with honors. Roa Samantha Nicole O. with honors. Silver medalist in basketball 5v5 secondary girls during the Congressional District Athletic Meet 2025. Monfed Hanilet S. with honors. Moreno Micaela Angela P. with honors, recipients of Performing Arts Award and Service Award. First place, Best in Marching Major during the Benda Franco Festival, Bicol Regional CTE MAPH PRRM Parade. Nacario Mercury D. with honors. Narvaez Christine Pia France A. with honors, champion in volleyball secondary women's category during the District Athletics Meet 2025. Pavilion Raven A. with honors. Pacau Ashley A. with honors. Padillo Eric D. with honors, recipients of Athletics Award. Bronze medalist in Artis during the Division Athletic Meet 2025. Padron Trixie D. with honors, recipients of Performing Arts Award and Service Award. First place, Best Marching Majors during the Benda Franco Festival Bicol Regional CTP MAPH PRRM Parade. Pisango Evangeline G. with honors. Eliza Nicole D. with honors. Sador Diana Grace D. with honors. Sanua Jory A. with honors. Class advisor, Mr. Jerome E. Competente.
Humanities and Social Science says 12 model. Agadaya Mark Lester L. with honors. Arthur Mark Dominic P. Archendal Nissan C. with honors. Bala Marvin D. with honors. Barameda Christian J. O. Baskinian John Rowan R. Bolalin Ken. Bongoto Mark Leo M. Moral Louis G. Senya. Chavez Mark Ethan D. with honors. Silver medalist in athletics during the 4th Congressional District. Champion, Inner School Athletics at the University of St. Anthony. Leto Dominic A. with honors. Espino Anthony B. Nabana Arnie B. Nabana Aaron Jules D. Nabana Linian R. Nantes Jason M. with honors. Navarro Carl John B. with honors. Oraa June Rainier P. Francis John Paul G. with honors. the Discipline Youth Service Award. Puebla John Angelo A. with honors. Ramones Sean Wesley C. with honors and champion Inner School Athletics at University of St. Anthony. Nicolar Edmar B. with honors. Renato Anthony Mark B. with honors. Rivero Mark Angelo C. Salcedo Mark Andrew P. with honors. Tadeo Efren James M. Targa John Howard M. with honors. Wazon Francis G. C. Velasco Reyes B. with high honors. Chrono John P. with honors. With honors. Wazon Francis G. C. Velasco Reyes B. with high honors. Arca Noyle B. Bernales Hannah Meyer B. with honors. Hamba Aliyah C. with honors. Miloro Jonah L. with honors. De los Reyes Maria Trixie with honors. Domestic Princess Anne M. with honors. Leonela Shena M. with honors. Lorizano Hazelin Grace Z. with honors. Awilis Sidney C. with honors. Magdalena Rose N.C. with honors. Mordechan Rian C. with honors. Obias Latifa O. with high honors and the recipient Youth Service Award. Pervera Angela N. with honors. Kolowan Cheng Cheng with honors. Recipient Youth Service Award. Contejos Cassandra P. with honors. Formalejo Donna Cristal A. with honors. Huerta Ella P. with honors. Sanoy Don April A. with honors. Sanoy Rizal N.C. with honors. Class Advisor, Mr. Christopher D. Morrow.
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics Strand, 12, Alejandria. Astorga Clark Justin B. with high honors. Recipient of Communication Arts Award, Science Award, Mathematics Award, Performing Arts Award, Research Award, Innovation Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism Award. Second place, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting. Second place, Best in Commercial during the Congressional Schools Press Conference 2025. Second place, Radio Production. Second place, Best Script. Third place, Best Award during Television Schools Press Conference 2025. Beho Dan Aljeshu with high honors. Recipient of Athletics Award, Research Awards, and Innovation Award. Briguera Ivan B. with high honors. Karinan John Paul C. with high honors. Recipient of Research Award, Innovation Award. Castillo Hans John D. with high honors. Competente Nicole Vincent F. with high honors, recipient of Research Award, Innovation Award. Delfino Luis Angelo F. with high honors. Dorante Reverend B. with honors. Filipino Alexis J. M. with high honors, recipient of Mathematics Award, Rose 4th International Begging Heart Olympiad, first place, Parsul General Quiz B, rank 4.5 in Physical Sciences during the Battle of the Wires Congressional, recipient of Merit Award, 5th place in Math, Feeling Begging Math National Challenge. Garde Guard Alec D. with high honors, recipient of Research Award, Innovation Award. Lopenio Kurt Chan E. with honors. Ras Miguel Delbert P. with high honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award, Research Award, Innovation Award, Leadership Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism Award, 9th place in pagsulat ng alain at during the Division School Press Conference 2025. Valencia James Alice C. with high honors. Young Lightning Leandre A. with high honors, recipient of Science Award, Research Award, Innovation Award, Campus Journalism Award, 8th place, Regional Science Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics 2024 Science Innovation Expo.
Azor Crystal Joy T. with high honors. Austria Chalaya Chanel B. with high honors.
De Loyola Angela May L. with high honors. Enciso Jehan C. with high honors. Enon Lorraine Joy M. with high honors. For Malejo Altea Catrice O. with high honors. Francia Caril Faye P. with high honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award, Visual Arts Award, Research Award, Innovation Award, Leadership Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism Award, second place, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, second place, Best Infomercial during Congressional Schools Press Conference 2025. Second place, radio production. Second place, best script. Second place, best technical application during Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Galiarte Aya Vinice A. with high honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award. Godoy Jinky DC with honors. Juan Marikim Pizaime D. with high honors. Layugan Shimei C. with high honors. Magalona Pauline V. with high honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award and Service Award. Roa Maria Micaela F. with honors, silver medalist, recipient of Athletics Award and silver medalist during Pencapsulet Division League 2025. Roldan Rayan O. with high honors, recipient of Performing Arts Award, Best Major Leader, Champion, Roldan's Division League Festival of Talents for Culture and Arts 2025. First place, Best Marching Majorette Specta Francia Festival Bicol Parade. Rosero Kiana L. with high honors. Roelo Glazel R. with high honors, recipient of Athletics Award, Service Award, Leadership Award, Champion in Tennis Division Meet 2025, Qualifier in Tennis Regional Meet 2025, and Palarong Bicol 2025 bronze medalist in tennis. Satingin Epifany D. with high honors. Vale Jill Marie with high honors. Class advisor, Mr. Jamil R. Alejandria.
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, 12-7. Arsenal John Carl B. with high honors. Dinamira John Jethro B. with honors. Wakenya Johan A. P. with high honors. Ongalompa John Armand P. with high honors. Pastor Ken Giro P. with high honors. Recipient of Philippine Merchant Marine Academy Scholarship Program. Delfino John Arvin A. with high honors. Gonzales Caleb Emmanuel B. with honors. Ignacio Jose Rafael B. with high honors. Harnego Andre Liu B. with high honors, Best in Science, Best in Research, Innovation Award, Congressional Science and Technology Fair, Robotics, Olympics, and Festival of Talents 2024, Estimation First Place. Division Science and Technology Fair, Robotics, Olympics, and Festival of Talents 2024, Estimation Third Place. Regional Science, Technology Fair, and Robotics, Olympics, Science, Innovation, and Expo TV Category 4 25th place. Congressional Advocacy On-the-Spot Proposal Writing Contest, First place. Division Advocacy On-the-Spot Proposal Writing Contest, Second place. Lillian Xavier Owen G. with honors. Lingua Emmanuel J.L. with high honors. Mabana Van Neftali B. with high honors. Moriko Isiel with high honors, second place, Division Science and Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics 2023, Robotics Search Team category, 10th place, Regional Science Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics 2023, Maze Solving Robot, second place, Division Science Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics and Festival of Talents 2024, Maze Solving Robot. 8th place, Regional Science Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics 2024, Science Innovation Expo. Ovias Oscar C. with high honors, Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, First Runner-Up, MTV Math Olympiad, Recipient of Merit Award International Wedding Math Olympiad 2024. First place, Parsu General Education Quiz B. Silver Award, 5th Philippine National Wedding Mathematics Olympiad. Prado Vladimir Christoph B. with high honors, Recipient of Research Award. Roger Earl B. with highest honors, outstanding performance in communication arts and Filipino, outstanding performance in science, outstanding performance in mathematics, outstanding performance in visual arts, outstanding performance in campus journalism, first place, second International School Quiz Bee 2024, third place Earth and Life Science Division Battle of the Wise Champion, Congressional Level, second place Pagsulat ng Agham at Teknolohiya, Congressional School Press Conference 2024 Division Finalist, fourth place Pagsulat ng Agham at Teknolohiya, Division School Press Conference 2025, second place, Congressional Level. Top 20 semi-finalists, second Regional Biology Quiz Bee 2025. Finalist, International Vedic Mathematics Olympiad 2024. Sanoy Mark Angelo with high honors, Best in Science, Best in Research, recipient of Innovation Award, 4.5 place in the 2024-2025 Regional Science and Technology Fair and Robotics Olympics at Legazpi City, Albay, Science Innovation Week. First place, on-the-spot proposal writing contest during the Congressional Outcome Racing. Second place, on-the-spot proposal writing contest during the Division Outcome Racing. Recipient of NASA Yamang Kalawakan 2024. Zoleta Matthew P. with high honors.
Malejo Fiona B. with high honors. Dasda Jillian P. with high honors. Lanuzo Evelyn June R. with honors. Lopez Joyce S. with high honors. Narvaez Angel Micah B. with high honors. Recipient of Best in Performing Arts, Best in Communication Arts, Social Science Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism, Congressional Level School Press Conference 2024, Champion, Overall Radio Production, First place, Best Script, First place, Best Infomercial, Congressional Schools Press Conference, Second place, Overall Radio Production, Division Level Schools Press Conference Qualifier 2025, District Level First place in Focus Speech English, Hip Hop and AV in Social Science, Congressional Level First place in Focus Speech English, Hits to Pop in AV and Social Science Festival of Talents 2025, Division Level 4th place, Extemporaneous Filipino Speech Festival of Talents 2024, Division Level 1st place, Impromptu Speech English, Hits to Pop in AV and Social Science Festival of Talents 2025, Champion in Impromptu Speech Regional Level, Hits to Pop AV and Social Science Festival of Talents 2025, National Qualifier in Impromptu Speech, Hits to Pop AV and Social Science Festival of Talents 2025. Navarro Lorene Denise G. with honors. Orbon Gwinnett P. with high honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award. Ortilia Lori May L. with high honors. Pansines King Christian T. with highest honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Science Award, Mathematics Award, Athletics Award, Research Award, Innovation Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism, SSLG Service Award, Leadership Award, Division Qualifier Collaborative Desktop Publishing Division School Press Conference, Cristel Jasmine O. with high honors. Peña Florida Hanafain H. with highest honors. Outstanding performance in research. Outstanding performance in science. Communication Arts Award. Outstanding performance in campus journalism. Second place, pagsulat ng sports during the 2025 Congressional School Press Conference. Third place, pagsulat ng sports during the 2025 Division Schools Press Conference. Finalist, pagsulat ng sports during the 2025 Regional School Press Conference. Sixth place, Congressional Battle of the Wise 2025, Komunikasyon at Pananaliksik sa Wika at Kulturang Pilipino. Champion, Division Battle of the Wise 2025, Komunikasyon at Pananaliksik sa Wika at Kulturang Pilipino. Top 10, Regional Biology Quiz Bee 2025. Finalist, International Science Olympiad Contest, ICOC 8 Level 3 category. Finalist, International Science Olympiad Contest, ISOC 8 Level 3 English category. Perinia Lindsay M. with high honors. Recipient of Research Award. Pujado Erica Ray with high honors. Remoto Maureen May R. with high honors. Recipient of Research Award. Valenzuela Sheila P. with honors. Class Advisor, Mrs. Elaine D. Salva.
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics 12 San Juan. Asur Miko J. P. with honors. Bolivia Ashraf B. with high honors. Bomon Gabriel Anthony A. with high honors, recipient of Service Award, Leadership Award. Kagimbal Romning G. with high honors, recipient of Research Award, Innovation Award. Kaparanga Jarius Ethan O. with honors. Cleofe Melody C. with high honors, recipient of Research Award, Innovation Award, and Service Award. Competente Jumel B. with high honors, recipient of Research Award, Innovation Award. Francisco Raven Creon R. with high honors. Iglesia Marky Angelo O.A. with high honors, recipient of Athletic Awards, third place, Professional Meet Taekwondo Kyoryuki, 61 kilogram welterweight class 2024. Second place, Division Meet Pencastilat Boys Class E 2025. Mesa Gail Glenn S. with honors. Melieska Kian C. with high honors, first place, Division Meet Badminton Boys Doubles, second place, Congressional Meet Badminton Boys Single A. Miranya Ken Joseph P. with honors. Pielago Jervin A. with high honors, third place, DLC Exhibition Category A, third place, Best Marching DLC Category A. Pilapil Hiljang Anton with high honors, recipient of Research Award and Innovation Award. Rodriguez Arthur P. with honors, second place, Division Meet Pencastilat Boys Class C 2025. Sikal Clyde D. with high honors. Villarreal Joshua R. with high honors, outstanding performance in campus journalism.
Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Mathematics Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism, Leadership Award, 5th place, Parso Attack Fest, Gen Ed Quiz Bee 2025, and 8th place, Regional Science and Technology Fair 2024. Velaro, Rihanna Jolie D. with high honors. Bunyon Marian Jasmine R. with high honors. Caballero Sofia M. with high honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Mathematics Award, Service Award, Leadership Award, Outstanding Performance Communication Arts Award in English, Science Award, Performing Arts Award, Social Science Award. Second place, Miss Palaro 2025. Fifth place, Imparso Acad Fest Gen Ed Quiz Bee 2025. And eighth place in Regional Science and Technology Fair 2024. Tuasay Kaila B with honors. Valerie Audrey May N with high honors. Gabatin Princess Kim P with high honors. Gonzalez Georgina Astrid E with high honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award. Gonzalez Rochelle C with high honors. La Estrella Daniela May M with honors. Masanta Pauline May B with high honors. Palomar Jacqueline Zay with honors. Second place in Division A Pentang Silat Girls Class B 2025. Pastor Charisse R with high honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award. Pida Stephanie Jane C with high honors. Macoson Elevate N with high honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Service Award, Leadership Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism. Second place, Script Writing and Radio Broadcasting, Division School Press Conference 2025. Fourth place, Best Presenter in Division School Press Conference 2025. Saloy Janeline C with high honors. Sario Neshik Ray M with high honors. Taroy Rosel M with high honors. Verdejo Jasmine Rosane P with high honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award. Class Advisor Mrs. Jovi S. Asaytono.
Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics 12 Villanueva. Aldimoa Sergi M. with high honors, recipient of Innovation Award. Alwania Julvic Andrew C. with high honors. Amaro Mapusalem P. with honors, recipient of Campus Journalism Award. Milan Francis Luis C. with high honors, recipient of Innovation Award. Catolico Aldrich Nazarene P. with high honors, recipient of Research Award and Innovation Award. Gawara Francis Jr. P. with honors. Guadalupe Brian P. with high honors, recipient of Innovation Award. Mabana Timothy James P. with high honors, recipient of Communication Award, Arts Award in English, Visual Arts Award, Most Outstanding in Campus Journalism Award, 6th place Collaborative Desktop Publishing in English during the Division Schools Press Conference. Olivares Allen E. with high honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism, 2nd place, Online Publishing Filipino during the Division Schools Press Conference 2025. Pacamara Julian Luis P. with high honors, recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Visual Arts Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism, 3rd place, Editorial Cartooning Filipino in Filipino during the Congressional Schools Press Conference. Pan Nico Zairo V. with high honors, recipient of Research Award and Innovation Award. Papa Jairo N. with honors. Tesimo Gian Cyrus P. with high honors, recipient of Innovation Award, 1st place, United Nations Quiz B, San Rafael National High School. Andre P. with high honors. Romero Axelson P. with honors. Fourth place, DLC Exhibition Category A. Fourth place, Best Marching DLC Category A. Suarez Darius Justin M. with high honors, recipient of Visual Arts Award, Science Award, Leadership Award, Athletics Award, Campus Journalism Award, first place, Division Battle of the Wise 2025 in Media and Information Literacy.
Alano Caitlin Joy F. with honors. Azur May Antoinette C. with high honors. Bonima Karen Claire B. with high honors. Rutas Gianna Rose B. with high honors. Recipient of Communication Arts Award in English, Science Award, Social Science Award, Service Award in TRT, SSLG, and Division Federation SSLG, Leadership Award, Champion, Second Shana Interschool Quiz B, First Place, Division of Battle of the Wise 2025, Oral Communication, Fourth Place, Semifinalist, Province-wide DRRM Debate Competition 2025, and fifth place, Partido State University ACAD Fest Quiz Week 2025. Carcel Easter Joy S. with honors. Saya Yansei Trisha D.B. with high honors. Recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino. Outstanding performance in campus journalism. Second place in script writing and radio production during the 2025 Division School Press Conference. Second place, Best Infomercial during the 2025 Division School Press Conference. Cledoro Phoebe Janine B. with honors. Consina Mary Chantal R. with high honors. Credo Erica O. with honors. Dalagan John Shira May H. Dalagan John Shamira Z. Laurenciano Alfayole S. with high honors. Luzada January Erica Rose C. with high honors. Recipient of Communication Arts Award in English, Research Award, Innovation Award, Most Outstanding in Campus Journalism Award, Silver in Sample Fall Biology. Pashona Cruzade Era F with high honors. Outstanding performance in campus journalism. Radioso Beverly J. B. with high honors. Recipient of Research Award and Innovation Award. Remoto Miel Francine G. with highest honors. Recipient of Communication Arts Award in Filipino, Science Award, Mathematics Award, Leadership Award, Outstanding Performance in Campus Journalism, Champion during Shena Interschool B, First Place Division Math Fair Grade 12 Math Quiz B, Bronze in Sample Fall Biology, Bronze, AIMSO Mathematics 11 to 12, and First Place during the Congressional Battle of the Wise Statistics. Roa Maria Sofia with honors. Rosero J. Abigail R. with honors. Rosero Giselle P. with honors. Salvador Jasmine F. with high honors. Class Advisor Mrs. Meridal P. Villanueva.
Arts and Design Track, 12 Mariaga. Cañepa Mark C. with honors. Conde Ryan C. Darilay Nelson Jr. R. with high honors, first place infomercial during the Bureau of Fire Protection Month contest. Enon Mark Joseph M. with honors. Espinosa Brian Dunphy C. with honors, recipient of Athletics Award. Second place, Jingle Making Contest during the Bureau of Fire Protection Month Contest. Frago Gerald B. with honors. Labanon Ramon Deferred M. with high honors, recipient of Performing Arts Award and Leadership Award, recipient of Guangming College Scholarship Program Tagaytay Campus. Matsa Paul Ivan N. with honors. Tobias Luis Raymond B. Amada Carl Francis Jello B. with honors. Akelo Oliver R. with honors. Rita Bernard B. with high honors, recipient of Performing Arts Award. Zape Cyrus Jamir C. with high honors, recipient of Guangming College Scholarship Program Tagaytay Campus. Second place, Jingle Making Contest during the Bureau of Fire Protection Month Contest.
Caniezo Vega L. with high honors, recipient of Visual Arts Award. Shelo Helene A. with honors. Carreras Naril B. with high honors, recipient of Visual Arts Award. De los Trino Janine Ezra M. with high honors, second place in Jingle Making Contest during the Bureau of Fire Protection Month Contest, recipient of Performing Arts Award and also of Guangming College Scholarship Program Tagaytay Campus. De la Mata Rayan P. with high honors. De la Vega Princess May C. with honors. Dumasi Jojime P. with honors. Escalante Aileen M. Felicieta Ruth B. with high honors. Julia Juani C. with honors. Second place, jingle making contest during the Bureau Fire Protection Month contest. Last advisor, Mr. Sami R. Carnaga.
Arts and Design Shop 12 Degree, Bravante Arnold Jr. P. with honors. Buena Agua Adrian V. with honors. Second place, Jingle Making Contest, Bureau Fire Protection Contest. Carino Fernando P. with honors, recipient of Performing Arts Award, 7th place, Regional Baile sa Calle Regional Festival of Talents. Lorica Anthony H. with honors, recipient of Visual Arts Award. Lombello Darrell P. with honors. Obias Axel Josh P. with honors, recipient of Philippine Merchant Marine Academy Scholarship Program. Palacio Joshua N. with honors, bronze medalist in basketball Division League 2025. Peliero Sipirinos Luis A. with honors. Rodil Franz Gerald C. with high honors, recipient of Visual Arts Award. Tayang Wayne Jasir F. with highest honors, recipient of Performing Arts Award, Leadership Award, recipient of Guangming College Scholarship Program for Bachelor of Performing Arts in Musical Theater, Tagaytay City. Second place, Jingle Making Contest during the contest in Bureau of Fire Protection. Trabalho Hans Sam R. with honors. Zacarias Ken Ace O.
Cleofe Jam Lea Marie B. With honors. Corrientes Angeline P. With honors. Performing Arts Award. 7th place. Regional Baile sa Calle Regional Festival of Talent. Basilio Mary Ann T. Pakay Mary Rose C. Paraiso Jessica P. With honors. Recipient of Performing Arts Award. Laura Nika J. With honors. Portia Valerie Kate P. With highest honors. First place in commercial during the Bureau Fire Protection Contest. Rivero Jenny C. With high honors. Recipient of Performing Arts Award. First place in commercial during the Bureau Fire Protection Contest. 7th place, Regional Baile sa Calle during the Regional Festival of Talent. Rodriguez Dayan L. With honors. Volante Kid Holiday C. With honors. Class Advisor Mrs. Mariel Corazon D. Divin.
Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Track, Industrial Arts, 12 Planise. Alipala Ivan P. With honors, recipient of Word Immersion Award. Aserdano Jared S. With honors, recipient of Word Immersion Award. Aspero Cedric Renz S. Recipient of Word Immersion Award. Bagasina Mark E. With honors, recipient of Word Immersion Award. Masmayor J.S. With honors, recipient of Word Immersion Award, Athletics Award, Bronze Medalist Division 2025. Pasquilla Dominic V. Batas Jeffrey C. Berut Manuel Jr. D., recipient of Work Immersion Award. Bombase Jerome Ken C. Bongat Leon Vincent S. Boracay Jonas H. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Bosito Roel Alejandro P. Kamay Rayan P. Cervelos Giselle S. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Lidoro Rex 30M. Limacosa John Michael B. Competente John Kenneth J. Competente Lawrence B. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Credo Mark Reggie S. recipient of Work Immersion Award. Nasser Alexander A. Igne Mark Angelo N. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Palis RJ G. Palian Carl Angelo C. recipient of Work Immersion Award. Panampo David O. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Lazo Dominador Jr. L. Portia Michael C. Kerubin Gerald John J. Rogelio Jemmer V. Sapo Errol F. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Tijares Efren Jr. P. recipient of Work Immersion Award. Class Advisor, Mr. Jolan P. Blance. Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Track, Home Economics Grant 12 Palata. Abel Eric Lawrence D. with Honors, recipient of Outstanding JDBP Training. Pajola Denise Earl C. Balang Matthew Joffrey S. Ballesteros Carl Angelo C. Competente Russell R. Quadra Aldrin Francis M. with Honors, Outstanding JDVP Training. For Manejo Archie A. Champion, Sepak Takraw Secondary during the district meet. Gonzaga Mark Anthony P. Migar Biel Lian Kenji N. with Honors, Outstanding JDVP Training. Parada John Ray M. with Honors. Rosamiran Tom Dominic F. Sanurho Jared Francis R. with Honors. Siniedo Sam Justin B. Cernias Mark Frederick C. with Honors, Outstanding JDBP Training. 4th place, Best Marching DLC. 4th place, Best DLC Exhibition during the Peña Francia Festival. 2nd Regional Major DLC Band Exhibition Contest 2024. Service Award. Chrono J.B. with Honors. Vergara John Ezekiel C. with Highest Honors. Recipient of Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Award, Outstanding JDVP Training. First place in FSC Home Economics, Cookery Congressional DNA Technolympics 2025. Second place in FCS Home Economics Cookery Division DNA Technolympics 2025.
Cabrera Ashley Nicole with Honors, Outstanding JDVP Training. Calio Baby G. with Honors, De La Cruz Maria Lourdes D. With honors, outstanding JDBP training. Dosal Ivy C. With honors, outstanding JDBP training. Ingero Vivian C. With honors. Fernandez Class Advisor, Mr. Jumar D. Malalag.
Technical Vocational Livelihood Track in Industrial Arts, 12 San Pedro. Alarcon Joseph Jr. P. Palala Jexter C. Arameda Richard C. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Bios Francis James M. Bodolio Hiner P. Bogdanay Mark Luis P. with honors. Celoceno John Andrew N. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Shelo from Puso Deferred M. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Lerigo Juan B. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Conde Eljan L. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Dominguez Rudy II R. Flores John Patrick A. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Gorobat John Benedict S. with honors. Lopez Ivan Card. Mendoza Rex B. Opeña Jerwin B. with honors. Ida Nigrian P. For Malejo Reca A. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Trevaldos Cyrus Wanvinson L. Redulia Raymond P. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Tayang Ivan P. Villamea Jim C. with honors, recipient of Work Immersion Award. Class Advisor, Mr. Christian Mark P. San Pedro.
Organization Award. First, we have ABM Executives. All members, please proceed.
Ang intersection. All members, please proceed to the stage.
Alliance of Math and Chess Enthusiasts.
Followed by Youth Council. Another awardee, Research Club Senior High School.
Another awardee, we have Public Relations Team.
Our next awardee, we have the STEM Student Council. President Gianna Rose B. Brutas, Vice President Sofia M. Caballero, Secretary Kim Christian T. Panciles, Treasurer Reverend B. Arcilia, Auditor LME N. Raposon, PIO Miguel Judelver D. Ras, San Juan Representative Stephanie J. Sipigan, Missionary M. Sario, Selca Representative Andre U. P. Arnebo, Mark Angelo Sanoy, Alejandria Representative Clark Justin P. Astorga, Lightning Leandrin A. Yong, and Villanueva Representative Julian Luis B. Pacamara and Gian Cyrus R. Pesimo. Advisors Elaine Balacena Selga and John Michael Asaytono.
Last but not the least, Supreme Student Learner Government.
Sa bang mo bilang tayo ng ano ka ibu kaso individual award sa maduma na lang sa taas.
Once again, let us give a round of applause, please. Every success is built on the support and kindness of others. Let's hear the words of gratitude to be given to us by the following brilliant students. Naomi Vivian I. Nieto, TVL HD 12 Paladan. Hannah Faith H. Peña Florida, STEM 12 Salga. Daisy F. Perico, Yums 12 de los Reyes. Miel Francine G. Rimoto, 12, STEM 12 Villanueva. And Wade Brasir F. Tayang, Arts and Design 12 Jubilee.
everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank God, to express my gratitude to God for allowing me to stand in front of you and give this speech. Then, I'd like to thank my loving and supporting family, loved ones, and close friends. I'd like to thank as much the Rafaela community for being my role model in order to reach this point. I give thanks to my Padayan girlies, my co-Paladan classmates, the fellow students, and friends who been along the journey, and the teachers, especially the PBL faculty. And on behalf of the Batch and Rafaela girlies here, thank you to the dear family and friends who shape who they are today. It is all because of you that we are here concluding our years of hardship and sacrifices in high school. It is such an honor that we have firmly and encouraging partner I was surrounded with San Rafael, I became comfortable. I was given the opportunity to shine and to exhibit my potential to understand. To the teachers who believe in me and have seen my growth, my advisors, Mom Daisy and Sir Matthew, and the coordinator, Mom Joyce, thank you. Truly, having a supportive environment helps shape students' dreams and encourage them to grow and explore. I will always be grateful and really proud to say that I am an academics here. Just like what the name says, of wisdom and knowledge pouring from my life and you will remain. With the principal, Mr. Joe Talavera, and the assistant principals, Ma'am Janet Nalar and Ma'am Marlon Luciso, thank you for your support in the receiving students from San Rafael. Lastly, I would like to thank myself for continuing to do and not lose hope. As the quote says, malayo pa, pero malayo lang. We all shine at our own time. Today is not a day to compare our achievements, but rather to congratulate ourselves for being resilient throughout the whole year. So, fellow students, I want you to tell yourself, congratulate yourself, gagraduate ka na ngayon. Once again, this is my own Vivian Almeto, Batch number 5, sincerely salute from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
To our honorable guests, dedicated faculty and staff, proud parents, and fellow gatherings, good afternoon. The hardest part of ending is starting again. Indeed, these 2 years may have been the shortest stay, but it is the hardest to let go. And as this chapter comes to a close, I want to take this moment to express my gratitude to every individual who made my journey meaningful. First, to God, for granting me the strength and abilities to succeed. In behalf of today's gathering, we would like to be thankful to our teachers as our mentors in shaping our personality to be a good citizens of the world. To my advisors for the past 2 years, Ma'am Lal and Ma'am Elaine, and to all our subject teachers, thank you for your patience and guidance. Being part of your classes has been a privilege, and I will cherish the lessons you've imparted. I'd also like to express my appreciation to my coaches in every competition. To Ma'am Soria, Sir Jared, Sir Rafi, Sir Luna, and Sir Jasper, for believing in me and providing opportunities to showcase my capabilities. To my Pumlimilya, ang intersection, maraming salamat sa tatlong taong pagsasama. To Ma'am Soria and Sir Jared, maging sa buong Filipino Department, salamat po dahil naging magaan ang lahat dahil nariyan kayo. The ink may have tried, but the passion stays. To my chaotic yet supportive circle of friends, Maureen, Lan, Lindsay, and Matthew, as well as to Benel, Jasmine, Eugene, Janil, Johan, and Evan, thank you for always encouraging me to strive for excellence. We may take on different paths, but anyway, don't be a stranger. I would also like to recognize that I wouldn't be at this stage if it wasn't for my incredible family and does not mean denial. Piliin mo palaging magpatuloy. Aayon din sa'yo ang panahon. Padayon, you have a bright future ahead. Once again, this is Hannah Faith Hernandez, Peña, Florida, a campus journalist, your Padugong of sports, a contestant, and once a student leader. Thank you and congratulations, batch of 2025. To God be all the glory.
To everyone present in this gymnasium, good evening and congratulations. As cliche as it can be, allow me to start with powerful quote from one of my favorite movies, Bar Boys, which taught me this lesson. Kung hindi ka nanalo, hindi ka mananalo. The first time I heard it, it hit me hard. But at this moment, I feel the weight of every word more than I ever did before. Indeed, we had to go through countless mistakes, self-doubt, and criticisms. But through those, we were motivated to do better, to strive for more, and to never be committed to same mistakes. We have fallen countless times, yet we chose to rise up and stand stronger each time, which brought us all to this moment. Today, it's not the first time that we've ever worn this cap and toga, but this is the first time I'm standing at the edge of something big, uncertain, and exciting. And I think this is the best time to pause and really think in what it took to get here in this very moment. First and foremost, I want to give the highest thanks to God. Truly, without Him, none of this would have been possible. There were so many days when things didn't go our way, and somehow, He always found a way to carry us through. Whether it was through strength we didn't know we had, people who showed up when we needed them, or the quiet peace that reminded us that we can, and we should keep moving. God was always present. To our parents, mom, pa, grandparents, and families, thank you. Thank you for being our first teachers, our anchors, and our safe space. Thank you for every sacrifice you made without any complaints. For waiting up all nights we had to finish requirements, for understanding our needs during stressful weeks, for providing even when things got tight, and for loving us unconditionally. This achievement is yours as much as it is ours. To our teachers, thank you for pushing us to dream bigger and to never settle for less than our best. Thank you for listening when we needed others for advice and for being patient when we were behind. I want to personally thank, most especially, Ma'am De Los Reyes, Ma'am Valentino, Sir Lau, Sir Lee, Sir Chua, Ma'am Julio, Ma'am Palestina, to everyone else in the youth faculty for your greatest contribution to my growth, not just as a student, but as a human person. All of you were merely my mentors and teachers. You were one of my constant reminders na kaya ko, kaya mo. To our friends and classmates, 11 De Los Reyes and 9 Dogs, thank you for being part of this journey. We shared laughs, fears, frustrations, inside jokes, and even deadlines we all swore we'd never procrastinate on again, but still did. High school wouldn't have been the same without me. But most of all, thank you to the younger version of ourselves, to the ones who showed up, despite the pressure, the fear. We often forget to give ourselves credit for the strength it took just to keep going. But today, let's allow ourselves to be proud. Whatever paths we take, may we carry with us not just knowledge, but wisdom. Not just ambition, but kindness. And not just dreams, but faith. May we live lives that reflect all the people who shape us. And may we always remember the one who was with us
thought that all the sleepless nights, silent years, and whispered prayers would lead us to this moment, standing here victorious. To our honorable school principal, guests and administrators, teachers and staff, parents, and fellow graduates, a pleasant evening to all of you. Today is not just about medals or certificates. It's about the story each of us carries. Behind every achievement, our parents who never give up, teachers who saw our potential, and friends who stood by us through it all. So, on this very special day, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all of you who made this moment possible. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God for guiding me through the storms, for strengthening me, for giving me countless blessings, and for always walking with me. Glory be to God. To my loving family and relatives, thank you for being my safe space and my strongest support. Ma, Pa, thank you for waking up early just to help me prepare, especially during my contests. And for always making sure I had a warm and healthy breakfast to fuel me for the day ahead. No words can express how grateful I am to have both of you as my parents. I love you so much, and this achievement is not just mine. It is yours too. To friends, thank you for being my constants, source of laughter, and my stress relievers. Wade, Car, Matt, Bea, Ron, Josh, George, Cha, Pia, Menen, Juan, Lord, Ella, Gibbs, Pop, Daisy, and then, thank you for being the ones I could be my most authentic self with. To 12 Villanueva, especially to Chantel, Allen, May, Karen, Gab, Bev, Axel, Bia, and Darius, thank you for always making me feel included and loved. The cheerleaders competition and Hataw Galaw season will always be my favorite experience with you. Altogether, we built a bond that's unforgettable. To all my coaches, Ma'am Soria, Sir Jerry, Sir JM, Sir Alanis, Sir Jam, and Ma'am Salaga, thank you for guiding me with patience and sharpening my mind with unwavering dedication. To my advisor and best coach, Ma'am Dal, I am forever grateful to you. Thank you for being more than just a teacher. You've seen the potential in me long before I believed in myself. You never doubted my abilities, and you inspired me to love math even more. Every training and competitions with you is always something I'll treasure. To all the teachers at the Sanardan National High School, thank you for being the foundation of my growth and learning. You've given us a lot of opportunities, and we are proud to carry the name of this school as we move forward. And to everyone who's been part of this journey, thank you. As we close this chapter, we carry the memories and the people who stood with us. Let us move forward with grateful hearts and determined spirits. Thank you and congratulations, fellow graduates. We made it!
I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Philippians 4:3. A pleasant evening to everyone. To our esteemed guest speaker, respected school administrators, dedicated teachers, supporting parents, and of course, my fellow graduates. First of all, I want to thank God for giving me strength and guidance throughout this journey. As I look back on my senior high school journey, I realized that I was armed by 5 powerful weapons: faith, determination, passion, hard work, and gratitude. These were not just words. They were my armor, my strength, and my story. To our principal, Sir Joel de la Vega, Assistant Principal for Academics from Janet Delaro, Assistant Principal for Operations, Ma'am Mario Enciso, thank you for your guidance and support throughout our journey. To my advisor, Ma'am Maria Corazon Munir, thank you for being my constant guide, my comfort, and my inspiration. Thank you for your endless love, your unwavering belief in me. I will carry everything you've taught me in my heart and mind always. To Sir Roland Catolico, our strand coordinator, thank you for believing in me, for pushing me to showcase and enhance my talents. Thank you for giving me unforgettable experiences and opportunities. To Sir Sani Cariaga, your passion and dedication as a teacher have truly inspired us. All the lessons you've taught us will remain in our hearts and minds. Thank you. To all the teachers who became part of my senior high school journey, thank you for your patience, kindness that shaped us into who we are today. To my parents, especially to my mama, thank you for all the sacrifices you've made, for your unwavering support, and for being the best mother you could ever ask for. I want you to know how deeply I love you, and I will forever be grateful for everything you've done for me. I dedicated these awards to you. Every step of this journey was made possible because of you. This achievement is much yours as it is mine. To my best friends, Ramon, Johan, Chantel, and Christine, thank you guys for being there with me. Thank you for being there with me during my down times. Thank you for always making me feel loved and for always lifting me up when I was close to giving up. I'm beyond grateful to have you guys in my life. To my friends, Janine, Naril, Rian, Yurika, Verna, Cyrus, Brian, Isha, Ruth, Gerald, Oliver, Jam, Nika, and Celine. Thank you guys for being my source of happiness, for cheering me up, and for the gala that takes my problems away. I'm grateful for all the iyakan, tawanan, and the memories we shared. To my classmates and batchmates, thank you for all the memories we shared together. I will cherish them forever. As I end my speech, I want to leave you with a quote from P.T. Richards. Anyway, don't be a strangers. As we take different paths, always remember the friends who became family with us. Stay connected. Congratulations, batch 2024-2025. Who did? God did. Madami.
What an inspiring speech from these top students of our school. As a ceremonial passage, our graduates will now declare their pledge of loyalty to their alma mater, led by the Jean Ezekiel C. Vergara, Technical Vocational Livelihood Track, Home Economics 12 Paladan student. Please all rise.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We pledge to you. We pledge to you. Our beloved alma mater. Our beloved alma mater. To keep in sacred trust. The principles and knowledge. You imparted us. We will follow your noble tradition. And uphold your prestige. With our loyal hearts. We will defend your name. At all times. From those who will try to defame you. And we will pledge to carry the genuine Raphaelite spirit wherever we may be. So help me God.
Please remain standing. Graduates, throughout your life's journey, please do not forget San Rafael National High School that you are Rafaelites. For the induction of graduates to San Rafael National High School Alumni Association, may we call on Francia B. Alejandrino, San Rafael National High School Alumni Association President.
Taas po natin ang ating kaning kamay. And repeat after me. We, the graduates and bona fide members of San Rafael National High School, year 2024-2025. Hereby pledge to uphold and sincerely promise to be a faithful member of the San Rafael National High School Alumni Association. For which we promise to abide to the principles and ideals of the alma mater and give thanks to the best education and privileges we obtain from your generosity and magnanimous service to every individual and community as well. Congratulations, graduates, batch 2025. After 4 years, para sa grand reunion ulit. And sana, matakit ang lahat ay masuko. Salamat.
Graduates, please be seated. At this moment, let us hear the closing remarks of our Assistant Principal for Operations, Mrs. Marilo P. Enciso.
For the last time, gusto ko sanang makita yung mga kapatid na nakasuot. The orange toga is our eighth commencement exercise. As we close this meaningful chapter today, allow me to speak from the heart, not just a teacher, but as someone who has had the privilege to walk alongside these young minds on their journey. To our guest speaker, Mr. Marcos Ante, our former student class of 2018, first batch po siya. I really don't know how to address you, sir, pero wala na pala siya ngayon. But I will be still calling you here, sir, and sir. Ma'am Mimi Talagit, our public school district supervisor, Sir Raul G. Conmigo, the president of the graduating class 2024-2025, Ma'am Francia B. Alejandrino, the president of San Rafael National High School Alumni Association, Sir Joel de la Vega, our principal, Ma'am Janet Gilaro, our assistant principal for academics, to the chairman of this activity, together with her kasangga, to our staff coordinators, my dear colleagues, my dear parents, and to our graduates, gabi na po, madilim na sa labas.
First and foremost,
Uulanin muna tayo ng gratitude. We give all glory and thanks to God for the strength, wisdom, and grace He has given us throughout this school year. And every challenge, He was our guide. And every success, He was our source. To the parents and guardians, thank you for trusting us with your children. With your support, understanding, and partnership have been vital in helping us nurture their growth. We know it wasn't always easy, but your sacrifices you both have borne through today. To our school administrators and staff, thank you for providing the structure, the resources, and the environment where learning and transformation could happen. Your leadership has been a light for all of us. To my fellow teachers and colleagues, I am proud to work alongside such passionate and dedicated individuals. You have not only taught lessons, you've taught lives. Thank you for every hour, every effort, and every ounce of patience you gave. To you, my dear students who are already graduate now, we are so proud of you. Teaching you has been both a responsibility and a blessing. Thank you for the joy, the challenges, and the memories. You've grown not just in knowledge, but in character. And as you move forward, remember, we will always believe in you. To your friends, classmates, and everyone in the community, thank you for being part of this journey. Behind every graduate is a network of people who inspire, uplifted, and help them through. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Today, some of you received awards. Diba? Ang dami. Kiluhin natin yung mamaya. Paguhin nyo sa bahay. Symbols of your hard work, commitment, and resilience. To all the awardees, congratulations! But beyond the applause, medals, and certificates lies something even more valuable, the message behind the recognition. These awards aren't just rewards, they're reminders. They remind us that effort, no matter how small it seems at first, leads to real results. That staying up late to finish a project or saying no to distraction to focus on your goals has meaning. And more importantly, they prove that the habit you build now shape who you become tomorrow. Because outside these walls, life is different. There won't always be medals or people clapping when we succeed. In the real world, progress can be quiet, and victories don't always come with a stage. But the lesson we've learned through this journey, discipline, persistence, courage are exactly what we need to face whatever lies ahead. To those who didn't receive an award today, still congratulations. Remember, this ceremony doesn't define your worth or your potential. Every one of us has something powerful to offer. And the real world is waiting for us to show it. Alam ko, maraming didiretso sa koleyo. ito. Dali ito sa mga susunod yung journey sa pag-aaral nyo. Your grades won't dictate your future. Totoo ba yun? Sino naniniwala? Okay. But, they do tell a story. A story of the moments you choose discipline over distraction. Responsibilities over excuses. And growth over comfort. Grades does not measure your worth, but a reflection of your journey. The struggles, the sacrifices, and the small wins along the way. And no matter what number they say, what truly matters is the kind of person you are becoming. So as we leave this stage and step into the new beginning, whether it's college, work, or anything in between, let us carry the spirit of today with us. Let it remind us that we've already proven we can rise to a challenge. And we're just getting started. As we close this ceremony, may we all carry with us a heart full of gratitude